In today's video, we're going to be analyzing what exactly is happening in the crypto space, and I'm going to be analyzing the BTC chart. You know, BTC actually controls other crypto. It's like that godfather. Welcome inside of my screen. You can see I have BTC chart in front of me, and this analysis, I'm going to be starting off from the daily time frame. What we have on BTC here, you're actually going to see that BTC was in an uptrend, creating series of lows and high. This is a low and this is a high. Now, let's analyze this particular last high because this is the obvious last high we could actually see on the daily time frame. So, looking at this high, might give us this low, and this low what gave us a new break of structure to the upside, which that's why you see my market structure break here. So after this break of structure, for price to remain an uptrend, this low here should never be taken out. But if you look at it in this scenario, price literally came out and took out this low. So this become our change of character. Tell me how to change of character. All you need to wait for is what price to pull back into a major zone and as well into the Fibonacci Golden Zone or the OTE zone. These are the zones that I trade off on a daily basis. Now, looking at this like a structure that has been coming before we had this change of character. This was the high, and here which gave the change of character is the low. Now, if I draw my Fibonacci from this very high here all the way to this low, you could actually see that what price actually came into the Fibonacci golden zone. Price actually came into the Fibonacci golden zone, and not just that price came into the Fibonacci golden zone. This area here was a support previously, and now price has tested it to become a resistance. So, which is telling you that price is going to sell off from this zone. Now, other confirmation which you don't notice is if you actually look at this pattern here and this one, they look so similar, and this is actually what we call a flag pattern. That's when you turn your flag upside down. This is a flag pattern. Now, from this very low here, from this very high, I draw a straight line here, so you can answer it like this peak of your flag, and this is your flag of your country. So now price came at this very top in line with this zone here, as well in line with the upper bound of the trend. This is enough to tell you that price wants to sell off. And not just that, after price coming to there, what we actually had our morning star candlestick. We have our evening star candlestick formation putting out there. I can actually see price is selling off from there. So now that was when I for this analysis in my community. In case you're not in the community, check the link in the description to join the community, both the Telegram and WhatsApp community. I do share this setup with them on a daily basis. Now let's get back into this analysis. Now, if you not look at this from the 4H time frame perspective, let me go back to 4H. So from the 4H time frame perspective, you could actually see that this is an uptrend from the lower band of the channel here. Price was an uptrend approaching the upper side. Now, if you look at this very area here, this is where I'm interested in. We have a low here, right? And we have a high. This was a low that gave us this high. And for this low to remain in our uptrend, this low should never be taken out. This is the external structure. But if you look at it very here, price just did that today. But before this happened, I've been on this trade, and how did I do that? Now, if you actually look at this like a shallow pullback, price came again, not being able to close above this guy. So this become a failure swing. And after that happened, this low was what gave us this failure swing. And price was came and take out this low. So this is what our change of character. Something people don't understand about change of character is sometimes just price must close above this one, then not come and take out this low. That's the only way you have to change your character. But you have to understand that anytime you see price trying to break a high and not being able to break it, and now trade back below the low like a major pullback, close below that alone is enough to tell that the change of character, because all we had here was what? An SMC, a failure swing. And after having this failure swing here, you can see price came back to my entry area and immediately price sold from there. Now, how did I able to get this second entry? It was very, very simple. You could actually see that this is like a supply zone, and price came into it and what starts selling from there. Now, this is the supply zone on the 4H time frame, but if I go to the daily time frame, it's actually an hidden block. What I did here is I didn't trade immediately price coming to it. I waited for a confirmation, which price closed back outside of it and engulfing and retested that same area. That is the confirmation I needed. And currently I'm on this trade right now, and is this trade that now give us the external change of character we are actually expecting. So typically I'm bearish on BTC. So I'm not just expecting price to sell all the way to this bottom here, just like what I show you on the daily time frame. If you actually look at it very well, this is a massive flag here. Now, if price is being able to come outside of this flag, just like it did here, it's also going to retest it. And trust me, price is going to dump next again, just like it did here, it's going to do it here again. And which is going to be making me expecting price to dump to about $49 per coin. Even probably it might even get to 45 on BTC. Yes, BTC might drop to 49. You might not believe it, you might not believe it first. And here you are actually hearing it first from JoedaveFX. All right, this is exactly what I'm expecting on the BTC for this all of this month to end and the upcoming months. This is what I am expecting on the BTC. So if not actually getting in this trade, this is the right opportunity, just like you're seeing this analysis right now. Do your own analysis and what look for your entry and jump in on this trade and hold until we get to $49 per coin. This is just my analysis from my own view, not a financial advice. So, and in case you like this analysis, you're interested in this analysis, and you want to know more, smash that subscribe button, drop a like, and don't forget to click on that notification bell. Also, check this link to watch the video where I talked about how to trade this one other block strategy. In case you've not watched the video, click on it and watch the video. And if there's not actually watch this video, how to actually identify the direction of the market properly, also watch the video. And I catch you in the next one. Peace out.